Welcome to the Loner Ranger Radio Show. We got 15 minutes left and we got a lot of room to cover here. My name is Bruce Woodburn. I am the Loner Ranger. And I really appreciate you joining me here this beautiful Saturday on the Bone. I'm wishing all of you just an amazing weekend, but I got to get down to some business here because everybody's been asking me, what's going on with interest rates? Is it the right time to buy? Should I hold off? Is the market going to crash? All kinds of crazy things. So here's the reality of it. First of all, rates are starting to improve, but they got worse after February 27th when we started bombing Iran because of the oil situation. Why? Because it caused inflation. When the oil got cut off and the barrels of oil went up, it caused inflation. Inflation is the arch enemy of the bond market, and mortgages are tied to bonds, not to a Fed rate. So we saw interest rates go up, plain and simply. It hit 6.75%. Now they're down around 6.4, 6.5% average 30-year fixed. FHA, a little bit lower. VA, a little bit lower. You can still get in the low sixes and high fives on VA. Is it right for you to refinance right now? No. No. I'm the only lender going to tell you that. No. But I want you to know that I created for my current clients that I've done mortgages for. I created a VIP watch list so that I would literally call you and go, hey, George, now's the time. We waited. Now's the time. But I had so many of my radio listeners going, man, how come I can get on? Why don't I get on that VIP watch list? You can, because I've opened it up to you. So if you want to get on my VIP rate watch list, I'm going to need your full contact information. I need a copy of your current mortgage statement so I know what rate you're at. What's our target rate? We got to determine a target rate. What your needs are. Are you looking to cash money out, consolidation, or just lower your payments? VA, FHA, I can help you with all of it. But I created a special watch list so that you didn't get solicited by mortgage lenders. Because I'm going to tell you something, never take a phone solicitation from a lender. There's predatory lenders out there and they will pose as being a big bank and they're not. You cannot be giving these people your private information. Don't do it. You can check me out on the Google. You can check me out on the Zillow. You can check me out on the Twitters. I don't care. You can check me out everywhere. I got 5-star ratings. Why? Because I protect my clients. Even our mortgages that we do here for you, we don't have to go outside like a mortgage broker does and shop your business all over town. We do it all internal. We don't even sell your loan. A broker can't keep your loan because he doesn't have anywhere to keep it. But we do. We have everything internal. Everything internal. So when you're looking to get a mortgage, purchase, or refinance, you call the Loan Arranger. I'll be happy to help you. So call me now in Tampa at 813-213-4009. That's 813-213-4009. Or go to webringyouhome.com, Orlando 407-706-3313. But I'm here to help you. I want to talk about the lies that keep you renting. So all of you young folks right now that are like, oh, the media tells me it's unaffordable. Oh, the media does this. Oh, I can't buy. It's too expensive. I don't have any money. Payments are too high. Interest rates are too high. Knock it off, folks. They've always been too high. I don't care what the rates are. They're always too high. Everybody always thinks they're too high. Because if the rates were 2%, you'd be wanting a more expensive house and your payment would be the same. The rates are higher, you get a little less expensive house, so the payments are the same. But here's the reality of it. When I bought my first home, it was expensive. I struggled. I really did. But I will tell you something. There is no such thing as a rich renter. They don't exist. And don't shake your head and go, oh no, Elon Musk rents. Don't tell me that. You don't know any rich renters. Look at your parents, look at your grandparents, look at your coworkers, look at the people around you, and you look at the ones that rent versus the ones that own, and you tell me who's more successful, and you tell me who's got the most money in the bank. So here's what I'm going to do. I'm going to dispel the myths, and I'm going to help you understand how to buy real estate in today's market, how to win in today's market. Go to webringyouhome.com and register for my home buyer event that I'm doing. It's all Zoom. You can do it in your underwear if you want. Just make sure you have a shirt on. And we're going to do a Zoom meeting, and I'm going to give you all the ins and outs about how to negotiate the deal, what type of properties to look for, how to negotiate closing costs, where to find the deals. I'm going to show you how to build a portfolio of real estate. We're going to uncover myths about buying real estate. So don't get caught up in the frenzy of it's better to rent. It's stupid to rent. That's what it is. Stupid to rent. Plain and simple. Now, that is the media telling you to rent. Now, I'm going to tell you, I'm going to give you 3 quick tips here on how to buy right now in today's market. Now, this isn't part of my class. I'm just going to give you some tips. First of all, if you are buying with low down payment or a first-time home buyer, don't buy a fixer-upper. They don't pay. Whatever you think it's going to cost you to fix it, double it. That's number 3. Number 2, leverage sellers' concessions, meaning you are better off to negotiate closing costs from the seller than you are a reduction of price. If you don't believe me, I'll show you. Low down payment gets a better return on your investment than a high down payment. Number 1, focus on affordability, not price. Many people just get this price in their head. It's about the payment, but it's about getting the right house. The last thing you want to do is buy a house because it was more affordable for you, but now you hate it. Not good. Not good at all. You'd be better off. Believe me, an extra $25 or $50 a month in a payment are not going to make or break your lifestyle. Don't think they will. We always do when we're buying, but they won't. The mistakes are made if you don't buy the right house. Let me get you with a real estate agent that'll find you the right house. I'll get you with a real estate agent that will give you a rebate back of their commission up to $10,000, 25% of their commission up to $10,000. I will connect you with the best real estate agent in the area that you seek to buy or sell in. I promise you, they will negotiate like a mad hatter for you, and we will get you the closing table smoothly and on time. Now, you also get money back in your pocket because they're going to give you up to 25% of their commission back. I also have them negotiate closing costs on your behalf, so it's win-win all the way around. You can't lose with it. Call me now at 813-213-4009. That's 813-213-4009. Go to WeBringYouHome.com. That's WeBringYouHome.com. All right. So, a couple other things I want to cover. How many of you listening out there, either this is you or it's somebody that you know, you'd like to buy, but you're really tight on cash to close? You make good money. You just have trouble saving any money. I want you to hear about this down payment assistance program that I've got. You don't have to be a first-time home buyer. Okay, you don't, but it's got to be for a primary residence. It's an FHA loan, so you can't already have an FHA loan unless you want to sell that house. I connect you with a realtor. That realtor gives you a rebate. That realtor sells you a home. I get you down payment assistance up to 5% of the purchase price. How do you like that? Okay, 5%. 400,000, you get $20,000. I also get you solar panels that are added onto the loan. No second liens, no UCCs, no leases for solar panels. They're added into your first mortgage. So it's all in one payment. Now, here's the thing. I'm going to have those solar panels installed on your home to help you save energy costs within 60 to 90 days of the day I close. Once those solar panels are installed, I forgive your down payment assistance. You heard me. I forgive the down payment assistance. I got you 20 grand. It's forgiven. So you could turn around in 6 months or a year from now and rent the house out. You don't have to pay the down payment assistance back. You would with every other down payment assistance program. You got to pay it back if you move out of the house or rent it or pay it off. You don't with mine. You don't with mine. and you get solar panels. Call me now at 813-213-4009 or go to webringyouhome.com. Takes 5 minutes to get your application started. I do a soft credit pull, no hard credit pulls over here. Soft credit pulls. I don't need a hard credit pull till you go under contract to buy a house. Then we're going to go ahead and convert it to a normal pull. Let me tell you something, folks. My down payment assistance program is better than any other program I've ever seen out there. Stop telling yourself you can't buy when you can buy. I'm going to help you get into a house. Now, I want to switch gears for 1 second. I want to talk to you about a reverse mortgage. So those of you that have folks or grand folks that are up there in their age, 62 or better, I'm going to tell you something. A reverse mortgage may be the perfect thing for you to own a home and not have a mortgage payment ever. And if you have enough equity in that home, I'm going to get you an equity line of credit. And that equity line of credit would be there to either help you pay for your taxes and insurance, pay for a trip to the wherever you want to go. Do whatever you want with the money. It's your money, and you don't even have to pay it back. Better than that, line of credit will double every 10 years. Now, for those of you who think, I don't want no reverse mortgage because the bank's going to take my house when my parents die. No, they're not going to take your house. I guarantee you can take the house when your parents pass on. It is your house. You just have to refinance it or buy it from them. There's no problem with that. And the bank's not going to up the loan. The loan is whatever the loan is when your parents passed. That's it. And I'll show you how to do that. There's so many myths around reverse mortgages that I want to dispel them. Now, listen, I ain't telling you folks that a reverse mortgage is right for everybody just because you're retired, but it's right for a lot. I'll give you an example. My cousin Noreen, okay? She's a hairdresser. She's in her late 70s, okay? She really needs to cut it back. But if she cuts it back, all she's got is a little bit of Social Security to live on, but she owns a $400,000 house free and clear. I can get her a line of credit on that house that she could draw from, say for $100,000 and draw on that house anytime she needs the money, and she doesn't have to pay it back. Now, let's say she doesn't draw on it and the bank is the reverse mortgage is just building up a little bit. And when she passes, whatever the balance is, we just either sell the house and the kids get all the benefits, or they get all the proceeds from it, or they can buy it out. Either way, there's no way the bank can keep it. You have 12 months to do it. 12 months to do it. I'm going to tell you something. That line of credit is non-recourse. So no matter what, even if you are one of those people that think, oh my God, the real estate market's going to crash. It ain't going to crash, by the way. But let's just say you believe it did, and it did. It wouldn't matter if that house went to $10 in value and she owed $400,000 on it. They can't collect it. It's not there. You can buy that house for 95% of the value if you're the immediate family member. There's a lot of things you don't know about reverse mortgages, but let me tell you something. You got aging out relatives that are struggling and they can't do some things that they want to do in life because they got a house payment, but they don't want to move into an old age home. They want to be in their own house. Then call me about a reverse mortgage. I'll tell you if it's the right thing to do. 407-706-3313 or Tampa, 813-213-4009. That's 813-213-4009. You want to get into my home buying class? I'm going to tell you how to do it the way I do it, the way the pros do it. And listen, I bought more houses than most of you will ever even think about. And I work with a lot of big time investors. Let me show you how to do it. I'm a 10th grade dropout. I got about $4.5 million worth of free and clear real estate that make me about 25 grand a month. Would you like to have that? Would you like to have that? Let me show you how to do it. It's not even hard. It's about this. And you don't have to pay me $2,500 for my weekend seminar. You can go to my class for free on the 16th of June at 6:00. Zoom meeting. Go to webringyouhome.com. Write that down. webringyouhome.com. Register right now for my class, and you will learn more than you ever thought. I'm going to help you. You got kids in your 20s or 30s? Get on that program. 813-213-4009 or WeBringYouHome.com. God bless each and every one of you. Thanks for joining me.